There you go. All right. All right. Yeah. Look at this guy. Butterfly. No, it was a grasshopper or locust, one of those things. Yeah. Hey, go through that. Are you gonna hit that? No, you are. No, hit that. Go ahead. Oh. You're good. Woo! That looks bad. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. You got it? It's good shit, buddy. There you go. Damn, that looks sweet. Man, this time the light's on the Can-Am. Shit. And the Honda looks like it's about to fall over. Help me, please. Damn, I should have brought my chair. Should have brought my chair. Could have just sat right here. Get my phone. Huh? My butt's not dirty. I ain't got swamp ass yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, that's some nasty stuff right there, the little piece right there.
That's some swamp.
Yeah, that's that stuff if you stay in too long, you start sinking.
Yeah, I backed into a hole under that bridge. When y'all had to wait on me.
Yeah.
I tried stopping, but I ain't got no fucking brakes.
Oh, shit. That's right, I forgot. God.
So I had to put it in four-wheel drive and low and pull out the damn hole and then go through the one Alvean went through. It's not a precise science when you ain't got brakes.
Yeah, no shit. Yeah, we'll keep it low and slow, buddy.
There you go.
Do you mind if I wipe my feet on that little box right there? So was that a no?
Do you mind if I wipe my feet on that little box right there? Get that mud off.
I beg your pardon? You look at it and swat that thing. I was about to swat. Oh, could have knocked that thing out the air. I messed up your shot. You do it again. Sorry. You didn't tell me. What's that? The tire. Oh, yeah. Whenever you got stuck in there?
Okay.
Yeah, bro, you're not supposed to put your boot in front of the...
I was trying to give it a little more traction to get out of that.
I thought it was like a track. You want to give it a track?
Can you do the one where you, like you kind of fly up to it and then take off up? Or do one where you start close and then go backwards?
Yeah. Which one do you want?
Do the close and come backwards because you have more space this way.
Yeah.
I hate for you to go over there to the damn trees. Oh shit. Oh shit, don't crash it.
It's like doing some crazy stuff right now.
Well,
Doing whatever it wants to do.
well, don't do that.
Okay, so you want it back.
Yeah. You got enough room?
Yeah.
Oh, the tree. Ay, cabrona.
Hey, I've got that thing on it.
The collision detection or something
Yeah,
like that? Okay,
I
thank
do.
God.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Let's not test it though.
Right, yeah.
I know a lot of stuff that are developed by engineers that don't work. So
If you don't mind me asking, how much it really?
I bought this one from OfferUp for like $200.
no, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No way.
I don't know how. Maybe it fell off the truck. I don't know.
Who gives a shit?
It would cost me to get one and fuck it up.
No,
No,
bro. You
$200?
shake too much to be able to use that. You'd be freaking doing something all
What
the.
would be doing it?
You'd be trying to
No, you get the. Do you play video games? Okay, so then you just get the remote and you literally.
I just see Shorty using it, then he crushes the controller in his hands.
He's like,
Fuck! And then it just stays up there, just hovering.
Well, somebody got to be able to pull your ass out by hand.
so you can get some action. Well,
Yeah, that's
action behind you.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Getting him
It's poor me that doesn't get no damn action.
Right.
Gosh
You
dang.
don't get any action?
I don't get no action. I don't get no play.
No play whatsoever.
The only play I get. That's why I gotta talk to myself and entertain myself. You know, whenever I'm riding. So it's just me, the Honda, going through holes, making through every one of them all the time. You're getting.
Acting weird.
You're getting.
Like moving around.
Okay. Oh my god. Well, let's just go ahead and bring it back.
You hear that noise?
Yeah.
That was the sensor.
Okay, let's just go ahead and bring it back. You playing around that water makes me all nervous and shit.
Why?
Okay, you got it. Never mind. It ain't my fault whenever.
Whenever what?
Nothing. I don't want to jinx it. Hi, buddy.
Oh, you're catching it?
What? Give me.
Oh, I'm kidding. No, you're gonna.
Oh,
And we'll cut you.
Don't do it. Just let it land it.
Are you sure you want to?
I'll just grab it and you turn it off.
Hey,
this.
hey, but it's $200 though.
But be careful.
Remember, it's a,
Holy shit, nah, I'm good. Fuck that. You feel the wind?
yeah. That thing puts out some freaking.
Imagine when I have the bigger one out.
That cut your goddamn finger off.
Oh no, it cut up my finger really bad. That's why I won't catch land it anymore.
Whoa, it don't got finger detection. You know, like the saw blades that when it hits a weenie, it stops. You seen those? It's just some sort of safety as soon as it's got like a weird fuse or
Doing
something.
some weird hovering movement. I don't know what that is.
That's why I backed up.
You only got 2 bars left.
No, it's moving on its own.
Here, I'll just grab it.
No, it's okay.
I got
Don't.
this.
Don't. I'll just land it on the ground.
I just got it. I got this. It says.
No, then you turn it over. If you catch it, you have to turn it over.
Well, it's not moving it.
No, it has a thing where you have to catch it fast.
Ah!
Oh,
It has
it's
a setting to not, and then turn it.
Ah, I can't do it. Land this son of a bitch. Right there.
It keeps fucking with me.
Whoa!
Come on, man.
It's doing some weird movements going on.
Nice. See, why didn't you just do that to begin with?
Because I don't like to land it on the ground.
Oh.
I need to get a mat.
Yeah, why don't you get a mat?
Huh?
Why don't you get a mat?
Yeah, it's a landing pad.
I gotta post it.
He's like, stop making it go up. I'm like, no, you gotta literally. So back
Every
in the
time he got his hands close to it, it starts.
That little piece of shit.
yeah.
That's cool, though.
So
That
you
is
have
cool.
to literally
What
grab
kind
it.
is it?
A DJI Spark.
Okay.
So you get to literally grab it and then turn it over so it'll like that.
Or else it'll lift you
Yeah,
off the ground or something?
Yeah, when it's upside down, the propeller stops.
Okay.
So
I got a cool picture, I think, in here somewhere
they
where...
tell you don't catch land, but and the only reason because I was leaning over a balcony like that, trying to catch it off a balcony like that, and then next thing you know, it cut my finger up. But luckily, it was getting closer. It was doing some weird movement.
This being all silly and shit.
Silly.
Being all silly and shit. Damn, that's a badass picture right there. Next.
Is it the one with the arm?
The one with the Honda?
Yeah.
Of course.
I don't.
Just trying to get what your definition of badass is.
Okay. How do you tag? Okay, right caption. Lazy Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Sunday fun day.
Or Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day. Is it Fun Day one word?
Yes.
Is it fun? Is it one word?
Sunday fun day. Yeah.
Oh my god, that sounds so. Hashtag Sunday Fun Day. Hashtag Lazy Sunday. Hashtag Sunday. Hashtag Sunday. Sunday vibes. There you go. Hashtag Honda Power. Hashtag Can-Am sucks.
You drive under there.
Hashtag I can't say it.
Hashtag it won't go there.
Hashtag Polaris. What's that? Hashtag Polaris Sportsman.
Hashtag 4 more inches.
Hashtag go f yourself.
Hey, that's what
Martin said. What's this park called? ATV park or?
Xtreme ATV park?
No, it's called something else.
Extreme
Extreme
off-road.
off-road park.
off-road. Hashtag I gotta take a shit. Yeah, get on your four-wheeler. Get off my four-wheeler. Yo, always trying to break my shit.
Smile, smile.
Don't get on my oh my god. I just saw that damn suspension just start crying. As soon as you put your foot on there,
And he's gonna sink it. He's gonna dig it.
yeah, I know. My headlights just turned down like that. They got sad. Okay, share. Damn, that took forever. I hate hashtagging.
It sounds like you love hashtagging. So what caption did you use?
What? For what?
For your caption?
What caption?
The caption.
I just said Sunday Fun Day.
Sunday Fun Day. That's I'm gonna use Sunday vibes.
That's fine. I hashtagged that anyway, so. Yeah, you could have told me I could use Sunday vibes. You could have done Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day sounds so.
Sunday Fun Day.
Sunday Fun Day. Hashtag. I got shit in my pants, I think.
Put a caption, my church on Sunday.
Your church on Sunday. Hey, there you go. That's fucking good right there.
Right.
I like that. I like that.
God's with you everywhere.
That's right.
That's right.
I didn't have my Crocs in 4-wheel drive. That's what happened.
Is that what happened? I need something a little higher. My rack is behind me. Oh my god.
There you go.
This thing's made out of freaking paper mache. Everything on here is made out of paper mache. Well, I put my foot under rack to drain out mine because yours is sitting a little higher than mine. And it just sounded like I put a crack in it. That was a nice little hill climb though you did, Alvean, that first one.
Oh, thank you.
That's pretty.
That was a little sketchy.
That was a little sketchy. Is my shit straight?
And thank you for the support. It's like, you know, what are they called? Those people that were spotters. Yeah.
Well, support. Is it straight?
No, it's not. Not in the middle.
There you go.
either.
It's in the middle. Where's the middle? Is that the middle? It doesn't feel like
Middle.
it doesn't feel like the. Oh, I know that, but it didn't feel like the middle. Thank you for that. Those words of wisdom for clarifying that for me. All right, let's go.